Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We have here this newly renovated two-story home consisting of 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, front and back patios, conveniently located close to a gas station, several supermarkets, pharmacy and doctor's office, all at the front of Woodlawn. The land area of this house is approximately 4,035 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 30 million or US $194,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.